we're going to replace the bleeder valve on a brake caliper. Remove the valve as if one was using a tap. Back it up a little bit, tighten it back up. Back it up a little bit, tighten it up. And then slowly work it back and forth until it comes out. Eventually, it will become loose. Comparing the old with the new. Using a thread gauge, this is 24 threads per inch. I like to use a ratchet to run my taps in. I have a shop vac taped to the frame to pull in any kind of shavings that may come from tapping. When tapping, one turn in, 1/4 turn out. One turn in, 1/4 turn out. The reason we do 1/4 turn out is to cut off the metal shavings and to make it cut easier. I put a piece of tape on the bottom tap to use as a depth gauge. I want to know when I get to the bottom. I am pumping the brakes to clean out any kind of debris that may have gotten inside the caliper. Install the rubber boot on the bleeder valve, then install the bleeder valve. Lastly, we bleed the brakes. Be careful not to get air in the lines. This is a starter tap, and it's a bottom tap, and they do as the name implies.